So, lakad-lakad kami. Woohoo! Guys! Woo! Silaw ng init. So, look. Nag-walking kami.
Look here.
Look! Tapos yung dalawang bata naglalaro.
Oh no.
Oh no!
You get one more.
Whew.
Antakoy.
Look! Wow! So, dito guys, maglakad sa dito ba? Maglakad-lakad. This is the typical date for family, right? Here in
Oh, what they do on Sundays, they go out.
yeah. Whew. Hindi ka makapunta ng mall kasi sarado. Walang shopping nagaganap. Kaya pag naghanap kayo ng mapapangasawa nyo, make sure na yawa, ihanga ko. Yatay. Whew. Make sure na piliin nyo. Yeah, it's a tabay. Kaya makahanap kayo ng German. Yung date ninyo dito sa Kakahuyan, oh. Yan. Dito kayo i-date. Yawa, ihanga ko. Stop. Huh. Ganyan kayo. Ganyan sila dito. Ang date nila is Kakahuyan. Yan, lakad-lakad ba?
Push na.
Push na ako? Ako na daw mag-push. No need to go to gym.
Yeah, if you do that every day,
No jogging yan.
if you do that every day, no need for gym.
It's okay? So maglakad. Daddy. Since it's our day today here in the walking thing. I iron my hair. Dapat straight ang hair kung maglakad sa Kakahuyan.
Is your puwet? Is your tea back puwet?
Oh, goodness. It's heavy. Okay, go up there. I will cut that. Wow. Yung maririnig yung mga ibon, at least walang gastos. Healthy pa. Oh, panginan yan. How did your dad push like this before?
Go. Not talking.
Dapat pag sinabing mag-date tayo, huwag ka mag-high heels. Instead, magsapatos ka. Complete attire. Kasi alam nyo kung saan kayo dalhin. Sige nito, oh. Oh, yawa. Mother's Day na Mother's Day. Kapuya. Love. Love. I remember it's a Mother's Day today. And this is our date.
That means the mother need to push.
Ha? Ay, kapoy, oy. Look. May mga dahon na ang mga puno ngayon kasi spring na. Yawa. Ang balay, oh. Nindot kayo pero tago siya. Ang ganda ng bahay pero liblib ang. Dito kami sa grapes farm. This is our typical date. Yati. Pero maganda yung ganito kasi healthy. Hindi walang gastos, hindi ka mapagastos tapos healthy ba? No? Exercise. Kaya mga matatanda dito matagal mamatay. Kaya kundi nagbabike, nag-hiking sila. So, kapoy, uy, tada pakita ko sa inyo kung gaano ka. Oh. Ay, okay, silaw. Oh. So, lang hiya. Sa Pilipinas, ang date doon sa mall kay kakain kayo sa magandang restaurant mamahalin. Dito. Ganito ang date namin dito. Oh. Binilan lang ako ng strawberry kanina and then ito.
Purple butterfly.
Where? Here?
No.
So, romantic, right? This is our Mother's Day date. Very romantic. Ay, the Lord. We're in the, this is a grapes farm.
Now you can get out and so and walk around.
Hindi pa lang. Hey! Wait! Kapoy ba? Oh, kita nyo naman ang view, no? My best view ever. See, there's someone also walking. Take a picture. 1, 2. Here, look, mommy. What is he eating? Ay. Sit down, baby. Sit down. 1, 2, 3. Picture. My goodness. My love. We have the best ever romantic date. Happy Mother's Day, everybody. Everybody. Oh, kapoy man. Hindi na tayo mag-ano niya. Ay, iro-iro niya. Ay, kapoy na ko. Kapoy na. Dali pa lang. Kapoy na. So, na pa yung nag-walking there, guys.
I mean, he's getting the trash there.
Ay, dagan mag-walking there nga. Ani. Ang mga Swiss dito, pag tayo magsabi tayo, hi, yung mga Swiss sabi niyo, hoy, hoy. So, that's a very easy words for me because I'm a Bisaya. I say, hoy. I think that's the same, hoy. In Swiss, they say hi, hoy, instead of hi. So, in German, how do you say hi? Hallo.
Hello.
Hallo. In German, they say hallo. Swiss, they say hoy. In Bisaya, they say hoy. Ah, kurat. So, maganda ang lightning, kaya maganda ang natural.
I mean, 6 o'clock, around 6, nearly 6
6
o'clock.
o'clock na?
In Manila, it's already dark
6
now.
o'clock na, guys. So, ang araw utrik pa din. Mainit pa din. So, di ba? Pag ang iPhone talaga is maganda siya pag natural lightning siya.
Not always, no.
Yeah, true.
Look here, there will be the grapes.
Guys, ito yung grapes. Magbubunga na siya. Oh, ayan, oh, mayroon na siyang...
Lots of grapes there.
Aray ko. Mayroon na siya. Malapit na siyang magbunga. Oh, ang galing. Grapes yan. Tapos ginagawa nilang wine. Yung farm nila dito. Yan yung mga farming nila dito, guys. Grapes, orange, strawberries. Yan. So, partida, oh. Maglalakad lang kami dito sa kagubatan. Naka-iron pa ang buhok ko. Naka-plancha baga. Siyempre, mamaya may mga engkantong magkagusto sa akin, no? Malay natin. Di basta-basta. Kurat. You want... That's the view. No? Magandang view, no? You know, hindi mo kailangan talaga gumastos ng pera para maging relaxing, peaceful. View is enough. And it's free also. Ano? What is this, love? What is this? Huh? Saan na akong buhok?
Binocular.
Ha? Binocular?
Binocular.
Ano kaya ito? Oh? What is this, love? Oh, wait, and this one.
You check here.
What is this?
Maybe toilet or what? You look here
It's a
na.
toilet. So, pakita ko sa inyo. Oh.
Binocular.
Teleskopyo daw to.
Check na, it's free.
Free? Ah, wait lang. Liliyo na to. Ang telescope ko dito, ang laki. Makikita mo yung buong view. Wait lang. Ah, this is perfect for Lucas. This is cool. This is... So, may bahay din dito. Tapos dyan ako nag-telescope kanina. And, look. Ah, if you want to rest,
Our new house.
we should move in here, love. So it's free. We don't need to pay rent. Hello, Bobby. Hello, Bobby. Okay, ginoo ko. It's nice.
Maybe if it's hard raining, you can stand here or make a.
It's time to iro-iro ta diri.
Huh?
Iro-iro ta.
Oh, it's okay.
Nobody.
Wait.
Love. Nobody can see us here.
Yeah, but you also don't see if someone's just coming around. What is it also there?
Di dyan siya pwede mairo-iro diri ba? Dati ang dahanan.
It's it for a song. Look here, it's
So may bahay dito guys, libre lang matulog. What is this for? Like resting?
No, yeah, if you're hiking and then you or barbecue, maybe
We go in here and then we eat. Or if we don't have money to pay for our rent, we move in. Cute
Put the
niya oh.
computer chair here.
Pwede ka mag-rest dito oh. Lagay ko dito.
Clean, because the other place there.
Say hi to my vlog. Hi. Hello everybody. You see that? Upo din siya. Wait. Oh, it stays good. I'm so thirsty. Peanut oil.
Peanut.
It's okay? So, now you explain me. That's what I saw there in the,
So this one there is 1,700 meter. There,
Labs,
The
wait,
snow?
wait. When I look at the binocular there,
yeah,
it's the same what you can see here.
yeah.
It's the explanation. So, this is Balgak.
That's the town here.
That's
right?
the town. Guys, everybody, listen to me.
And this one is 3,000 meters high.
This
it's
one?
the highest here.
Okay.
3,000.
This is the explanation of
There, you
everything.
cannot see that because it's so high.
But I don't know how to explain.
No, how many meters? You can see here. Where is which? This one?
The
This
explanation
one,
about
all
the
mountains
the
here.
mountain high.
What's the name and the height? And then look here.
It's
There's
here.
a little village there.
You
You can see that's
okay.
the name and Svoit.
Kadaghan ba kuan
Diepoldsau.
oy?
This is Switzerland.
Oo.
Wittenau, Diepoldsau, Balgach. Götz is Austria.
Kinahanglan day og maglakaw-lakaw ka dre mag-hiking ka bright
Hohenems.
ka kay para makabalo ka kung sa mga
Austria.
explanation ani oo. Balgak ang pangalan sa town. Tan-awa pod ang lugar oh. Hoy. Oh, that's
So
the
this
view.
one is 3,200 meters, 3 kilometers. And this one is 1,000 meter higher. Wow.
Okay.
3 kilometers high.
Daghan kaig. Daghan kaig ano maglakaw lang ta. Di na ta mag-explain ana. Wa man na sa
Let's go.
wala yan sa usapan natin.
If we walk like that, we arrive home 10 p.m. Oh, look here, mommy. Look there.
It's a butterfly. Look at that. Oh, it's
Oh.
flying na.
Look here.
Maglakaw lang ta. Di na ta mag-ingana kay wala man na. Hindi yan kasama sa ano natin, usapan. Loading atong brain ana. Oh, tanaw guys, nindot kayo mga bundok. Explanation yun kung gaano kataas yung bundok, kung anong pangalan ng town, and meter high, correct?
You hold it.
Kapoy, banha ay sabok.
I think it's a chamomile.
Chamomile? It's wa siya bulak oh. Daga kay bulak diri ay. Smells good? Let me smell. It's not.
Yeah.
Okay.
Chamomile tea. You don't know that?
I don't know. It's the-
What you drink when you have a cold?
It's a tea. Yeah.
No, you dry that. Oh, we are really far from our home.
Ay naku.
Until we are home.
Daddy, I feel like we're more far and farther and farther.
We're going the opposite direction.
Really?
Our house
It's
is here.
getting more far or like that.
Yeah, but here's already houses.
Mm.
Here
You see the house.
Look there, the flowers.
Oh yeah. So
Look here. you
Nasa
the
city
horse.
na nandito na kami sa highway na kami naglakad. Punta sa bahay namin.